Okay, I'm gonna show you my dog. I'm just sort of bored right now. Remember to check out, okay, I'm gonna say this slowly, not a YouTube channel. But this one right here, I'm doing with my friend, so. Other one's FMSCOTT 3022. So FM Scott 3022. FMSCOTT 3022. And here's my dog, Rascal. What's his name? Let me see. Say hi to the laptop boy. Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Let's back up so you can see him. Here's my doggy. My pup. My annoying dog. Bye.